Imagine holding the absolute future of drone technology right in the palm of your hand. It sounds like science fiction, but the reality is actually much closer than you think. The DJI Avata 360 is finally on the verge of its official announcement. If you have been following the leaks, they usually launch their biggest products in mainland China first before moving to a global rollout. This time, the hype is on another level. We aren't just looking at rumors or blurry photos anymore. Pieces of evidence came from deep inside the DJI Goggles beta software. Even though the resolution was tiny, it clearly showed how to insert the battery and activate the drone. DJI has moved past the prototype stage and is now in full production mode. What makes this drone so special is the revolutionary design. The Avata 360 uses a Cinewhoop-style frame, but with a massive twist. It features full spherical propeller guards. This makes indoor flying safer than it has ever been in drone history. You can bounce off walls or navigate tight hallways without any fear of crashing. DJI has also upgraded the propellers from a 3-blade system to a 4-blade system. This change provides much better stability and creates a much smoother flight experience for the pilot. It looks professional, sleek, and high-end. Larger than the Avata 2, which weighed 377 grams. However, it still looks small enough to be very portable. Rumors suggest it will support 8K recording at 60 frames per second. It will also have HDR panoramic capabilities for stunning visuals. The camera module can tilt and even switch into a single-lens FPV mode for standard forward-facing shots. This is a hybrid beast that merges FPV agility with 360-degree cinematic power. For creators, this is a total game-changer. You can capture. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. It is reported to have up to 6 front-facing obstacle sensors to prevent crashes. Let's talk about how much this will cost you. Leaks suggest the base drone will start around $499 in the US. If you want the RC2 controller, that price will likely jump to $699. For the serious pilots, the Fly More combo is the way to go. It will include 3 batteries, a charging hub, and a carrying case for about $999. It is a professional tool for filmmakers who want to take their content to a higher level. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is also stepping into the spotlight. A video recently went viral from a DJI store in Malaysia, showing a customer using a production-ready Pocket 4. It looks completely polished and ready to ship. It's compact, travel-friendly, and perfect for vloggers. But they have added some brilliant refinements. There are now dedicated physical buttons on the grip for faster adjustments. This means you don't have to stop filming to change your settings. Another small, vital upgrade is the built-in LED light near the camera. It's adjustable and built right into the body. This means you don't need to carry extra lights for low-light situations anymore. The leaks also mentioned a brand new shooting mode called Supero. We think this mode uses AI for automatic enhancements, HDR processing, and noise reduction. It will basically edit your footage as you shoot it. The interface looks intuitive, and the packaging looks final. This is a countdown to launch for the Pocket line. Pricing for the standard model is expected to be between $549 and $649. If you go for the bundles, you might pay up to $799. On top of all this DJI news, we also have the Insta360 Luna making waves. Leaked footage shows incredible portrait shots with amazing depth. It suggests a very powerful sensor is hidden inside. Rumors say it will record 4K at 240 frames per second with a 3-axis AI gimbal. The battery life is expected to be around 180 minutes. It seems like 2026 is going to be the biggest year ever for creative tech. My honest opinion is that da 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 da. The board 60 is the most important release here. Combining 360-degree video with FPV flight is something we have dreamed about for years. It removes the technical barriers for creators and lets them focus purely on the art. If these specs are true, DJI has just made every other drone on the market look outdated. The Osmo Pocket 4 is also a massive win for travel content. It's all about making high-quality video easy for everyone. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of tech, please subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on these amazing releases. Would you like me to go deeper into the specific camera sensor technology for these new models?